What's up, BMW owners and enthusiasts? Mike Martin here with Beamer Boys. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, which you all are, because we have like 2 subscribers right now, this channel is going to be exploring pretty much all things BMW. Once again, I'm Mike, and you'll be meeting Eric here shortly. I'm heading over to his place now so we can plan our week of social media posts, videos, pictures, all that good stuff. It takes a lot of work. Eric and I both sell BMWs. We work at Bavaria BMW out of Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. We are passionate about these vehicles. We both drive BMW, and we want to share with you guys some tips and tricks when looking at buying these vehicles, tips and tricks on how to sell these vehicles if you are in car sales or you're looking to get into car sales, as well as just some cool information and cool feature videos filming these amazing rides in a cinematic fashion. I just got some new camera gear. I'm really thankful to Bavaria BMW for hooking me up. I've been shooting a lot of videos for the dealership, and now me and Eric have a professional quality rig to shoot stable, awesome video with. I'm very excited. Let's head on over to Eric's house. Today's gonna be a good day. Oh, they're giving such a pose.
How are you doing?
Good, this is your episodes of Cribs.
Yeah, buddy, yeah.
Hey. Good, how are you doing?
Cool.
Yeah, it's so sick. Yeah.
Shut up. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's so sick.
She's like working on her stuff too.
No
Nice.
way.
Yeah, we can nerd out together. This thing's so sick.
Zach.
If you want to sell a serious amount of BMWs, you're gonna need at least a few computers, a couple phones. You just need to be on it.
Yeah, buddy.
So we're knee deep in planning our empire here. We're setting up Facebook pages, YouTube pages.
Info at BeamerBoysCanada.com.
Eric wants to sell you a BMW, so hit him up. He's hard at work for you right now. What are you looking at, Eric? Is that pornography? Hey, it's the best kind of porn. Wait, second best kind of porn.
Well, you haven't seen me yet, have you?
Head on over to Eric Lychek's personal Facebook account to get a sneak peek.
Well, that's a wrap, man.
5 hours of work on our 1 day off
Yeah, man.
every week.
Pretty exciting.
Yeah, it takes a lot of effort to get things together, to take things to the next level. We're really serious about spreading the word about BMW and selling as many BMWs to people in Canada as we can. So
From coast to coast.
we're starting an empire.
That's right, man.
You're on the
just
ground
see.
floor.
You guys will see. You'll hear our names a lot going over the next years or so, and I can guarantee it that we're up and coming with our ambition and our will to win. You guys will see us around a lot. Cheers.
So on top of working, 66 plus hours every week and taking only 1 day off, Me and Eric got together today. We wanted to get a whole bunch of stuff done, and we can never do it when we're down at the dealership. We got appointments and customers, and we love being there and doing that. But today was all about focusing on our social media game, getting on the same page, and getting a plan together. What do we do today, Eric?
Yeah, man, we spent some time developing a couple private Facebook pages. We got our website going. We got our direct mail, so you guys can reach us specifically without having to, go through the dealership. We want to really develop kind of our branding for you guys, so that you are always looking for the same experience every time, same guys, and from right across from coast to coast here in Canada.
These videos are going to be a little bit all over the map. We're going to be doing a lot of car feature videos. We are lucky enough to get a beautiful new video rig. We're going to be focusing a lot on our social media content coming up. So if you're checking out this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, shoot us a like. We'd love to have you along for this journey with us, have you join our community, and we hope to give you some value in the world of BMW and BMW vehicles.
And if you guys ever have any questions in regards to the vehicles that you guys are currently sitting in, because at the end of the day, a lot of you guys may be owners, enthusiasts, or people that just love the brand, shoot us a message, give us a call, email us, leave a comment here in the notes at the bottom, and we'd be more than happy to reach out to you and help you guys with whatever information that we can offer.
Stay tuned for some more videos. Thanks for checking out Beamer Boys Canada, and we'll see you all in the next video.